As you probably know that Shareit and Xender steals data. So what are their alternatives? Let's see. Personal information is a very critical information that no one except you should know. So, to save this personal information we need some good alternatives. Let's see who are they. First is the Files by Google. As it is made by Google, it's the most secure. You can use it both as file cleaner and also as a sharing app. Let's focus on sharing. On the down right hand corner, you can see a share button. Click it and you are ready for sharing. The second and the last is Send Anywhere. I personally use this. It is the best sharing app according to me. Open the app and select the files to be sent. After selection, click on Send. Then you will get a number which you have to forward to the receiver or just give access to camera and scan the QR code. I personally recommend not to give access to camera and just simply write the number. So these are my personal recommendations. How would you like them? Tell me in the comments below.